Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your UFV account, or commonly known as University of the Fraser Valley. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type international.ufv.ca and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of UFV. You can scroll down and look at the facilities provided, but for now we only want to log in. At the top right corner, in the navbar, you will find something like MyUFV. It will be in between calendar and my class, as you can see right here. Simply click on this MyUFV button right here. It's gonna open up a new page. Now what you want to do right here is enter your UFV account details, that is your email address. Once you have entered your email address, simply click on next, and then it will prompt you to enter your password. Once everything is done and well, simply click on the sign in button and you will be signed in to your UFV account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you log in to your UFV account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.